think that starting a skincare routine is costly? No, it's not. Just jump on this video, I will show you how. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Choma from Siama Beauty. I teach you how to groom your skin. I teach you how to use affordable skincare products, especially skincare products in the Nigerian market. I also teach you how to take care of your natural hair. I also review makeup and teach you simple makeup you can do at home. I teach you everything about skincare. This is Skincare Hub. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you. I appreciate your support. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. On your notification because I post 2 videos in a week. So today's topic is simple and affordable skincare routine you can build as a beginner. It's not costly, it's not something you break your bank to do. All you need is just to be consistent with whatever you are using on your skin. Don't use one bottle and feel that it doesn't work, you trash it. No, skincare doesn't work like that. Any skincare product somebody gives you and you expect it to work immediately or within 1 week, that one will damage your skin. So that's why I advise you to just use things that are mild on your skin, especially your face. So to start a skincare routine as a beginner, what and what do you need? That's what we're going to talk about on this video. So the first thing you need is a basket like this. Yes, you need to be organized, especially if you don't live in a duplex or a place where you have your own bathroom all by yourself. You need something on organizing basket like this. This is 500 naira. You get it, so that you will be able to organize your skincare products inside here and access them quickly. Because when you keep this one here, keep the other one here, keep this one here, sometimes you forget some. So keeping things organized help you to follow your routine, access it easily, and do it inside your bathroom after taking your bath. I keep my in my bathroom. So you find a shelf or somewhere in your bathroom, keep your basket. So after taking your bath, you bring it out and do your skincare routine. So today's topic, I divided it into two: the face and the body. So I'm going to make it very simple that you will not be confused. Do you understand? So first of all, we'll start with our face. Our face is a very delicate part of our body. So the number one thing you need to get for your face is face wash. This is what I use. This one is from Vit Gold. You get any face wash of your choice. That is the first treatment, first routine you do in the morning. You wash your face with your face wash. I don't normally wash my face with bare hands. I use a sponge like this. Don't mind my own, it's turmeric. My turmeric face scrub, so I killed it like this. Get a sponge like this. So you use it to wash your face morning and night. This is the first thing, washing. So after washing, you tone your face, toning cleanser. This is what I use too. So you tone with your cotton wool. You get a cotton wool, take a little cleansing. After washing, you cleanse. That is toning. So the third thing I normally do is my vitamin C serum. If you are 30 years, you should have vitamin C serum in your skincare. So I use this Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. It's the third thing I apply after cleansing. You apply your vitamin C on a wet face. Don't allow your face to dry. You after you wash, you do this thing. You dab your face with your face towel. Have a separate towel like this for your face. Don't use your body towel to clean your face, because sometimes we don't normally wash our towel often, so it gathers jam. So when we use it on our face, the towel transfers jam to our face, thereby making it to break out. You having or your occurrence of pimple breakout. It might come from your towel, your body towel you're using on your face. So stop it entirely. Get a towel like this, a small towel for your face, and also change your pillow. Every Saturday, you put a new pillowcase, because all your makeup goes to your pillow too, or your night skincare routine goes to your pillow. So change your pillow once every week and get yourself a face towel. The third thing, like I told you, I apply is my vitamin C serum. So many people apply different kinds of serums on their face depending on the problem they're treating. But this particular video I'm doing today is not all about serums you can apply on your face. I will do a separate video for that. But this is a simple skincare routine you can build as a beginner. So the third thing is serum, and the fourth thing is my face cream. Yes, this one is affordable. I buy it for 500. When I tell people, if sometimes they give me two for 500. Sometimes when I tell people, look at the face cream I use, they feel like you are lying. I'm not lying. These are the things I use. You don't have to break bank to look beautiful. This vitamin C serum is 2.5. This cleanser is 1.5. Why this thing is 2,000? You see? And the last thing on my face is sunscreen. Sunscreen. This is the 5 steps I do on my face for now. I might decide to add in future, but for now, this is the 5 steps I do. So, you apply your sunscreen every day. Morning and afternoon. No, not in the night. At night, you apply retinol. I have no retinol for now. So, we'll move to the body. Like I told you that it is divided into face and body. Then we move to the body. You get a body scrub. I use 2 to 3 kinds of scrub once in a while. But presently, I am using tomato scrub from Good. The next one I will buy now is Ashanti. I use Ashanti. I use Cool Spa. These are the 3 body scrubs I use. So on your skin, you scrub your skin at least 3 times in a week. Buy your body scrub, keep in your basket like I told you. Keeping things organized like this makes it easier for you to use. So when you scrub, this is a hand glove sponge. It is something you scrub with. Yes, you use it together with your scrub like this. You don't scrub with bare hands. Get a hand glove sponge like this. You are good to go. Rub your scrub, put on your hand glove, and scrub your skin. Remove dead skin so that your cream or whatever you're applying on your skin can work. After scrubbing, you use your soap. This is mine. I so much love this one. So it's silk and what did they call it? Look at it. It's called Smooth and Silk. The small one is 700. The big one is 1.7. Sometimes I use toilet soaps, like all these anyhow toilet, so I use them. So I don't have specific soap. Sometimes I use this. So after body scrubbing your skin, you use your soap and continue bathing. When you must have scrubbed off all those dead skin, you moisturize your skin. That is where the work is. Sit down, get your moisturizer and moisturize your skin. This is what I use to moisturize my skin. I mix mine with oil. I have a separate video where I show you how I mix the both of them. I moisturize. This is the Vaseline I use. I moisturize my skin so well. So after moisturize, that's all. And don't forget your legs. Some of us, our leg, and the hand. I have a hand cream. I have a foot cream. Don't forget your leg. Don't forget your hand. If you can start this simple skincare routine, that's all you need. You don't need to break a bank or buy this, buy that. No. Just these simple things. You are good to go. And you'll be happy you started it. Thank you for watching. Bye.